Hey guys and gals, this is Latif. Hope you're well, and today we will be covering the LTC coin. As in my previous video, I told you that the Litecoin is moving in a descending triangle on the long-term weekly chart, and this was the pattern, and we can see that the price action is moving within this triangle since 2017, and at this time the price line is almost at the end of this triangle and it is getting squeezed. And this is the decision making time for the price line to break out or break down the support of this triangle. I've also placed this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this descending triangle. And this is the point of control of the volume profile that works as a center of gravity for the price line. Whenever the price line moves up or moves down, it always moves back to this point of control. And we can see that the price action is moving around this point of control since March 2020, and I'm just playing this chart to see the current situation, and so far the price action is moving at this point of control. And if we watch on the live chart, on the daily chart, then the price action is moving within this channel. And if we place the moon phases indicator, this is the moon phases indicator, and that's a really very useful tool or indicator to predict whether the price action will break down or break out the support or resistance of the channel. Then we can see that we have the recent new full moon below the resistance of this channel, and we have the dark moon below the support of the channel. So this is a bit critical situation that we have the full moon here. That is indicating that the price line will be not able to cross up this level, this full moon, and this dark moon is showing that it will be difficult for the price line to retain this support, and it can move up to this dark moon. And if I place the volume profile again on the complete price action moving within this up channel from this level up to the end of the channel, then we can see that we have the traders' interest up to this level, almost at $40. And from the upside, we have the interest of the traders up to almost $47. That is another critical situation that is showing that the traders' interest is below this resistance of this channel. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to move up unless the interest of the traders will be not developed more than this level. And if we watch the point of control of this volume profile, then that is almost at $44. And for example, if the price action will not break down or break out the support or resistance of this volume profile, and the point of control will be at this level, remain the same at this level, then after placing the pitchfork indicator, we can see that what can happen in the future, because this is really very useful tool to predict where the price action can move within the channel if we will not have any breakout or breakdown. I just need to place this pitchfork indicator at the center of this channel, and I'm just placing the pitchfork indicator on this channel like this. Okay, and now we can predict whether if the price action will be not able to break down or break out the support of this channel and the resistance of this channel, then what we can expect. For example, this is the POC. I'm just placing the trend line at the level of the POC, and this is the trend line. Now, for example, if the price action will be still moving within this channel, then we can expect that at this level, almost on 30th of September, the price action can break down the support of the channel, because at that time we will have the support of the channel at this level and the POC, the point of control of this volume profile at this level. And after breaking down the channel, we can again see another downward rally by the price action of Litecoin. However, at this time the price action is at the support, and so far this support is working as a strong support for the price line since March 2020, we can see that the price action is not able to break down this level. And at this support, we have an optimistic move, the positive move by the Litecoin, that it has formed a bad pattern on the daily chart. Here you can see that this was the bad pattern, and after zooming out, we can see that this bad pattern very clear, and I have placed the pattern tool on the price action. This is the initial leg, and after that the price action is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the first confirmation for the bullish bad pattern, and then it is retraced or projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to B leg. So this is a second confirmation for the harmonic bullish bad pattern, and after that the final leg has been retraced between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the potential reversal zone for this bullish bad pattern, and if I place the Fibonacci tool from A to D leg, then realistically the price action can move from this level, from 0.382, that is almost $42, up to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and that ends up to almost $44. And if the price action will be able to cross up this level, then definitely the price action will start another powerful bullish rally, and even it can break out the resistance of the channel as well, or at least it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel, and this time we have the resistance of the channel almost at $50. So this will be really helpful, but we should make our stop loss this level. This is almost the level of this channel support as well, and we have this potential reversal zone here. So we should make this potential reversal zone that ends up to $40.95 as our stop loss point, because if it will be broken down, then the price action can move more down. This leg will be more longer for the formation of bullish crab pattern. So therefore, I'm just giving you a suggestion to use this level as your stop loss. And if you want to take it as a single trade, for example, if you want to buy it here and if you want to sell it here, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad pattern, that is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, that starts from almost $42 and ends up to almost $44 or $45. Then I will also share the complete details with the targets in the video's description as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this blog that I have just recently started, and I'm sharing all the analysis with the complete details on this blog with complete targets as well. So if I'll leave anything or I will forget anything to share with you in the videos, I'll definitely share on my blog as well. So I hope that you'll also support my blog as you are also supporting my channel, and this blog will be really very useful for the people who want to trade crypto or any other asset as well. I'm also sharing the link of this blog in the video's description as well. So if you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.